Hi, my name is Marcus Isaac. Welcome back to my channel. Stay tuned as to how I shot this Ice Queen photo shoot using green screen. Okay, so let me break down how we did this photo shoot. Starting from the back to the front, I picked up a Savage Universal green screen over here, and it's beautiful. It's great for portraits, great for beauty, anything small. As you can see, it's actually a rather big backdrop here, but the beauty of it is that it holds onto a light stand that they provide you with. On this side is green. You can see here the back side is blue, so you can shoot green or blue in your photo shoots depending on what your client is wearing. If they're wearing green, obviously you don't want to use green, you want to use the blue side, but also be sure they're not wearing blue if you're shooting using the blue side. All right, moving forward, I did a classic clamshell beauty setup here. So I'm using Profoto, I'm using their 5-foot Octa box on top. I'm using their 1x3 here on the bottom to complete the clamshell. And I'm using two D2s here. So on the top, I'm at power 6.0. Here on the very bottom to give her fill, I have, this is set up for a 5.0. All right, very close to the model. We had Allison come in. She was our Ice Queen for the photo shoot. We worked with her before. You could check out our previous videos. You could also check her out at Allison Evans on Instagram. If you want to check her out. She was standing right here, again, fairly close to the backdrop, about a foot away from the lights, foot and a half. And just to give you my settings on my camera, I was shooting at my shutter speed sync of 200. My aperture was at f8. My white balance is flash, and I'm using the Nikon D850, my 24-70. I shot with the 24-70. I'm usually shooting with a long lens. That's been my preference lately, but when I'm shooting up close like this, I like to use my 24-70 just to get through the space right here, and I can toggle back and forth between 24 and 70. All right, just enjoy. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned. Thank you. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to hit the bell so you can be notified for any future videos that I post. Thank you. Take care.